Thank you all so much for your presentation. I have a confession to make to you all today. I have been a statin skeptic. I would go to my clinic, they would prescribe it, I'd say, oh, thank you, doctor, get home, put it in the cupboard, not take it. Why didn't I take it? I thought, oh, there might be side effects. Oh, it's too many pills. What's the actual point in taking it? But then I had a massive paradigm shift from the incredible Reprieve study. I realized that statins dramatically reduce my cardiovascular risk. The BEVA guidelines recommend statins to all people with HIV over 40. And as a woman living with HIV, hard to believe I am indeed over 40, this is incredibly important to me. I haven't been prescribed pivastatin, which was part of the Reprieve study, but I have been absolutely fine. I've been absolutely fine on atorvastatin, and I haven't had any health problems whatsoever. And I've got quotes from members of the 4M network throughout my presentation. So why are statins especially important for older women and people from marginalised communities? Some studies indicate that women with HIV are at greater risk of cardiovascular disease than men, particularly as we go older. Studies indicate that women with HIV may go through the menopause earlier, and we're at increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Whereas estrogen goes down, rates of inflammation go up. We're at greater risk of heart attacks than men, and lots of people don't actually realise that. And particularly for black women, the vast majority of people living with HIV, we're disproportionately affected by HIV and are at greater risk of heart disease than women in any other racial group. And we face intersecting forms of stigma, discrimination and disadvantage that increases our risk, and we also have increased inflammation for a number of reasons. And I would argue that statins are a health equity imperative for women living with HIV. The fact that women from marginalised communities are at greater risk and are at greatest need of statins, but less likely to be offered it. It's similar to HRT. We know that women with HIV are less likely to be offered HRT, but actually have a significant risk. Often it seems to me that perhaps it's laziness on the part of healthcare professionals. It might be a little bit harder, but you need to push a little bit harder in terms of that. Healthcare professionals should find solutions to mitigate the risk of side effects. Lack of information is a significant problem. That's why women are less likely to want to have statins. The women that I spoke to at the 4M network many felt that they just weren't given the information as to why statins were important. And globally, at a time when the health of women living with HIV are under threat, statins are an affordable way to protect us. And I'd like to end by saying that Marilyn Monroe was wrong. Diamonds aren't the girl's best friend. Statins are a girl's best friend.